Artificial intelligence AI is transforming the agricultural sector by enabling smarter, data-driven farming practices that significantly boost sustainability. Through advanced data analytics, AI systems can monitor soil health, predict weather patterns, and assess crop needs in real time. These insights help farmers make more informed decisions on when and how to plant, irrigate, and harvest, reducing resource waste and improving crop yields. In addition to optimizing field operations, AI-powered drones and sensors can detect pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies early. This allows for targeted interventions rather than blanket pesticide or fertilizer use, leading to reduced chemical runoff and healthier ecosystems. Machine learning algorithms can even recommend the best crop varieties for a particular region based on historical and current data, contributing to long-term soil health and biodiversity. Ultimately, AI empowers farmers to balance productivity with environmental responsibility. It offers scalable solutions for both large and small farms, helping the industry adapt to climate change, conserve natural resources, and ensure food security. As technology continues to evolve, AI is becoming an essential ally in building a more resilient and sustainable future for agriculture.